Hello, in this video we'll be comparing maximum camera zoom between iPhone 15 and Samsung Galaxy S23. To do this, I opened the default camera app on both of the devices. On the left we have iPhone, on the right we have Samsung. Enter the photo mode and then we can adjust the zoom. On iPhone the maximum we can get is 10 times and on Samsung it's 30 times. Now let's pick up the Samsung, and on this logo we're gonna try to zoom in from the same direction, and yeah, the zoom is very blurry at this point, but it zooms a lot. And we can also try the plant, which I have right here on the left. It's basically too much. And let's see the iPhone when it's 10 times. We can actually zoom a lot also. And it's much more visible when it's 10 times, but now let's go for the Samsung as well and change to the camera 10 times and try to use it. And from the same angle it's blurry, but when you actually try to be stable it gets sharper. And yeah, you can zoom much better on the Samsung, but the quality is basically, there's no quality when it comes to that, and I would say that the iPhone actually wins when it comes to zooming with camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.